Going between Stanley and heading towards Williston. You might be saying, Scott, what is that plume of fire doing out in the middle of nowhere? Correct me if I'm wrong, but this would be that excess gas coming out of the whales. And rather than going in the atmosphere, they burn it off. But that thing is just blazing. Just look at it. Yeah, it can get a little hairy at times, that's for sure. Do not use cruise control when you're driving in this, people. Just an FYI. Yeah, the snow's starting to come down. Getting a little hairy on the road. Yeah, snow's really starting to come down. It's getting a little hairy on the road. Doing about 60 right now. Welcome to Ray, North Dakota. Town of Ray between Stanley and Williston. Oh yeah. It's North Dakota, don't you know? Hey, there's the porch. Ooh, coffee. Yeah, no. Okay. All right, I'm gonna stop playing around. But this is part of the excitement of the job. I really do love it. I'm not being foolish, but it's exciting. It really is exciting, you know, so I'm very grateful. You know, I get to do this I get paid to do this. I'm literally making money to drive around in a semi-blizzard and replace things at a bollards at a Circle K. Anyways, I suppose I should probably stop doing video logs and pay attention to the road.